This is part 2 of stocks that you can buy if you want to invest in the manufacturing industry in the unlisted market. First we have is Boat, world's 5th largest wearable brand. Boat has surged to the forefront of India's wearable and personal audio segment, becoming a global leader in the process. Second we have is Waaree, India's solar powerhouse. Waaree Energy stands as one of the largest vertically integrated new energy companies with a staggering 12 gigawatt solar panel manufacturing capacity across Gujarat. Third we have is Merino, a global leader in decorative laminates. The Merino Group is a world-renowned manufacturer of decorative laminates with a presence in over 80 countries. Fourth we have is NCL, driving growth in India's paints and coating industry. With the industry projected to reach $10.16 billion by 2026, NCL Buildtek Limited is a major contributor. And the last we have is Polymatech, pioneering semiconductor manufacturing in India. Polymatech Electronics Private Limited is India's first semiconductor chip manufacturer, leveraging advanced Japanese technology. And now, if you want to learn more about these companies, head over to Stockify's YouTube channel and you will find in-depth overviews of each of these companies.